Okushaba abebembezi okukorera abantu kwahebwayo omuramuzi Gordon Muhimbise owayebembera omukoro gw'okurahiza abebembezi ba Rukungiri District. Omuramuzi Muhimbise hona yashaba ba kansara obutosha okukuratira engenderwaho omu mirimo yabo.
If you have been elected, this is a good schooling. Please serve the people. People are hungry for development. People are hungry for development. Please serve the people. This is a good calling.
Anderson Katebere niwe yarahizibwa nka mukuru w'entebe ya katana habwa district ya Rukungiri kandi yaraganisa kurwanisa obushomankuzi omu district age.
And that I shall promote the welfare of the people of the district. So help me God. Sanja, no corruption, no sleep. Leadership calls for fairness, transparency, and zero tolerance approach to corruption. Looking back at the time I had the honor to serve, I'm proud of what we accomplished together.
Bakansara baraganisa okukorera babatorine.
Kandi nisima munonga abanterera karuru regardless of the party akabu kabakeshonga we nindaganisa kubera abantu nindaganisa kukora proceedings za kanso kurungi nindaganisa following rules of procedure.
That's all we need. People who should have and some areas of Zimbabwe, President municipality don't have the electricity. That's all we need. And if you cooperate.
Kandi nkuko abantu banyakisenyi bampire mandate kubajwekera mu district council y'imyaka 5 nyerekerire nko kunarahira kwindura ha welfare yabo nahabweco turaza kutandikira interest yanjye mpango n'emyanya ejemihango eminjera bugwa mamizi.
Omuganda bebembezi n'abantu ba burijo nebahigwa kugira enkwatanisa na gavumenti kibahwera okushongera entunguka omu byanga. Ebi bigambirwa ha kitebe kya district ya Kiruhura aha mukoro gw'okurahiza abebembezi.
The Deputy Speaker, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help.
Thank you, the people of Kiruhura, who walked long distances, quaked in the sun, and voted not for me as a person, but for trust. Thank you, my family, once again for releasing me to serve the people of Kiruhura for the next 5 years.
We must promote teamwork within our councillors so that we can build our communities and strengthen them. Another thing is service delivery. I want to emphasize that every councillor will be taking up implementing all the projects in the district.
Okurahiza abebembezi kwebembirwa omuramuzi wa Kiruhura Benjamin Serewu.
To the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution. So help me, Ya Allah. Thank you.
That I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda.
And that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of Uganda. So help me.
Habireho no kutora n'akakiiko aka kanso.
Solemnly affirm that I will take that at all time well and truly serve the district in the office of a Secretary of a Social and Community-Based Service, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution,
bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Congratulations.
Gasha kwa Abdana Basibye na Sande K. William.